Hey there, K-Ball here from ZenDev, where I help developers and teams level up their front-end skills. This is your Friday front-end inspiration, where I talk about something that got me super excited in the front-end world this week. This week, the article that got me excited was Anil Dash. He wrote an article called "What If JavaScript Wins?" and explored some of the network effects that are happening around the JavaScript ecosystem. Now, we've seen network effects in a bunch of different spheres. We've seen it in social networks where Facebook got to a critical mass and just blew everyone out of the water. We've seen it with Amazon and marketplaces. The idea is that once you get to a certain level of a network, you get a winner-take-all situation, and because it makes sense for people to join that network or invest in that network before anything else. And he makes the argument in this article that we're starting to see that in JavaScript, that we're reaching a critical mass where increasingly it makes sense for developers to build libraries and tools focused on JavaScript first before anything else. This gets me super excited because we're putting in all this time and energy trying to keep up with what's going on in JavaScript just so we can use it in the front end. But now it's not just about the front end, it's about everything. JavaScript is going into everything. We can see it, manipulating USB devices with Web USB. We can see it in the Internet of Things. There's watches now that you program with JavaScript. We can see it in machine learning. TensorFlow.js lets you do machine learning in JavaScript, whether you're doing that on the server or in the browser. So all that time and energy we're pouring into JavaScript doesn't just help our front ends anymore. It gives us access to the biggest, most expansive and extensive developer ecosystems in the world. That gets me pumped. So I've put a link down below to the article and to this week's Friday Frontend newsletter, which is a newsletter that I send out each week, contains 15 links that cover CSS, cover JavaScript, cover all sorts of things, anything about the web platform. And we have tutorials, we have articles and news, we have all sorts of stuff in there. So check that out. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. There will be a link right up here in just a second. That'll make sure you get each video as it comes out each week. So you'll get the Friday front-end inspiration straight to your YouTube each week. All right, this is K-Ball signing out.